Alright, so I was given topic A, which is the limit as x approaches 6 of the equation the square root of x squared plus 13 in a square root minus 7 all over x minus 6. And the first step to this, what you want to do is multiply both top and bottom by the conjugate, which in this case is in a square root you have x squared plus 13, and then outside of it you have plus 7. And you want to multiply both the top and the bottom by that number in that equation. And so what you're left with after you FOIL out the top turns into the limit as x approaches 6 equals x squared plus 13 minus 49, which then simplifies to x squared minus 36. You want to leave the bottom factored out. You don't want to FOIL it and multiply them together. So the bottom is x minus 6 in parentheses, and then in another set of parentheses is that conjugate, the square root of x squared plus 13, and then on the outside of the square root you have plus 7. So you want to keep that unfactored on the bottom with x squared minus 36 on the top. And the next step, you want to factor x squared minus 36, and so you get the limit as x approaches 6. The top turns into x plus 6 and x minus 6. And with that x minus 6 you already have on the bottom, you can cancel that out. And so all you're left with is the limit as x approaches 6 into the equation x plus 6 on the top, and then on the bottom you have that conjugate base again, the x squared plus 13 in a square root plus 7. And from that you can just plug in the 6 you have. So it turns into, the top turns into 6 plus 6, which is 12, and the bottom turns into the square root of 6 squared plus 13, and then plus 7, which turns into 14. And you can simplify that into 6 over 7. So the final answer is as the limit approaches the limit as x approaches 7. The final answer would be 6 over 7.